hate them white ones. Handy. Little girl said I gotta be in the back. So I blocked off traffic. Little girl told me, hey nigga, what's up? The Napster.
Got the wheel switch. I bet wanting to see this one. Yeah, that smells nice. We just got done with the ride out. Man, police, man, just let some people hang out. Ain't nobody bothering nobody, bro. Like, come on, man. Y'all ain't have to put us at the last spot like that, bro. They came in like 14, 15 cars deep. No exaggeration, bro. Man, it was a good day, though, man. You know, we got slid the Impala out here. Me and my little one. So, man, we about to take it on into the crib. I ain't talked most of the lot in this video because I was out here talking to people and stuff, man. So I don't even know what the footage is about to look like because I had my helping hand over here get some footage for me. But yeah, man. Hold on, I gotta cut this shit down before it get me. But yeah, man, so we about to go on, take it into the crib. About to go put the SS back up, man. It was a good day, bro. Real good day. You think it was a good day? That boy over asleep, boy. Yeah, but yeah. Oh, man. It was real good. Shout out to Daryl. Getting these boys organized, boy. I was just gonna slide, man. I ain't have no organization, but yeah, it's my first ride out, bro. So, appreciate you, Daryl. That motherfucker Camaro sounds too good. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. There's more to come, man. More to come. I can just tell you that, man. It's your boy Just Dave. Hey, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. DJ Fresh.